Today we will continue our work with the text you read yesterday, The Sun, Earth, and Moon. Remember, there is an audio recording of that book available. If you choose to read it that way, that's a great tool to use. So turn and talk. What did you learn about our Sun, Earth, and Moon from yesterday's reading? Today's learning target: I can read a scientific text and answer multiple choice questions about the text. To be successful, students will reread The Sun, Earth, and Moon and answer 10 multiple choice questions about the text. So again, this is the story that you all read or listened to yesterday. Feel free to reread today or skim in order to help you answer the questions. When I'm given a multiple choice question like this, I go through each answer choice to make sure I get the right one. So I read the question, which of the following causes the change of seasons? Then I went into my book and I flipped through, I skimmed, I reread the various sections, looking at the table of contents, looking at the headers to find where the story talked about seasons. I noticed on page 7, the author wrote, Earth's axis is tilted about 23.5 degrees away from its orbital plane. This tilt is what causes the seasons. So going through each of these answer choices. A, Earth rotates around its axis. Earth is tilted on its axis. Earth revolves around the sun, or Earth moves through the solar system. Which of these answer choices best fits the evidence that I have underlined in the text? Answer choice B. Our second question here is, how many full rotations does Earth make in 30 days? Again, I went back into my text, I skimmed, I looked at the table of contents, I read the headers, and I found that on page 5, the author wrote this sentence: a single rotation of Earth takes 24 hours. Oh, and I know by activating my background knowledge that 24 hours is one day. So it takes one whole day for the Earth to make a single rotation. That means in 30 days, how many rotations would the Earth make? 1, 12, 30, or 365? 30! So your work today will be to answer the 8 remaining multiple choice questions. I already did the first 2 for you. I also added the page numbers where you can find the answers to these questions. Just like I did yesterday, they are in purple. Be sure that you read all of the answer choices when you are deciding which one best answers the question. If you would like an extension activity, these are 6 discussion questions that apply to our text, The Sun, Earth, and Moon. If you would like to continue your learning, you can answer any of these discussion questions. You could just talk about them with a family member. But again, this part is optional, and the required work today is answering the 8 remaining multiple choice questions. You've got this.